Hey guys, welcome back. If you're a developer, you've definitely used GitHub, GitLab, or maybe even both. But which platform is actually better for your workflow? Today we're putting GitHub and GitLab head to head and comparing their features, UI, continuous integration, and continuous delivery capabilities, community, and pricing so you can choose the right tool for your projects. At their core, both platforms are web-based Git repositories that let you host, manage, and version your code. But their philosophies couldn't be more different. GitHub is the most popular option by far. It has a massive open source community, a sleek and responsive interface, and it's the go-to place for collaboration, pull requests, and sharing your work with the world. GitLab, on the other hand, focuses on being an all-in-one DevOps platform. Its interface isn't quite as polished as GitHub's, but it offers far more built-in tools and deeper native integrations right out of the box. Now let's talk features, where GitLab really starts to stand out. GitLab's CI/CD is fully built in, powerful, flexible, and ready to use from day one. You can automate testing, builds, deployments, and multi-stage workflows without relying on external services. GitHub offers continuous integration and continuous delivery through GitHub Actions. It's newer, but has quickly become extremely capable, with deep integration into the GitHub ecosystem and thousands of community-made actions. Still, for complex enterprise-level DevOps pipelines, GitLab often provides more customization and control right out of the gate. Next up, issue tracking and project management. Both platforms support issues, Kanban boards, and milestones. GitHub improved a lot with its new GitHub project system, which adds custom fields and more flexible views. But GitLab has always been stronger in this area, offering epics, burn-down charts, detailed roadmaps, and robust agile-ready workflows without relying on third-party tools. If you want project management and development under one roof, GitLab has the advantage. When it comes to open source, GitHub is the undisputed king. Most major open source projects live on GitHub, and the community is unmatched for collaboration, discovery, and portfolio building. GitLab does support public repos and open source collaboration, but it's used more in private team environments and enterprise settings than in the broader open source community. Now let's compare pricing. Both platforms offer free tiers, but the difference is in flexibility. GitHub is mainly cloud-based unless you pay for GitHub Enterprise Server. GitLab can be self-hosted for free, giving you full control over your infrastructure, a huge benefit for companies with strict security or compliance requirements. GitHub's team and enterprise plans scale based on seats and added features, while GitLab's pricing model gives more flexibility to those who want full DevOps capabilities under their own server. So which one should you choose? Choose GitHub if you want a clean UI, a massive open source community, and seamless collaboration. It's perfect for personal projects, public portfolios, and open source contributions. Choose GitLab if you need an all-in-one DevOps solution, advanced continuous integration and continuous delivery, enterprise-level workflows, or the ability to self-host your entire stack. Both are excellent. It really comes down to your project needs and how much control you want over your development pipeline. If this comparison helped you out, make sure to like the video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next breakdown. Let us know in the comments which platform you prefer and why. Thanks for watching.